Okay, so if bed bugs are keeping you up, this guide gives clear, immediate steps you can use tonight to reduce bites and start taking back your bed. Here's the thing. If bed bugs are keeping you up, this guide will give clear, immediate steps you can use tonight to reduce bites and start taking back your bed. You'll get practical actions that work right away and a simple plan for the coming weeks. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. This one's important. Start here tonight. These steps cut bites quickly and give you relief while you work on full elimination. Okay, so start with 3 things tonight. Put on a bed bug-proof mattress encasement and zip it fully. Wash all bedding, pajamas, and pillowcases on the hottest setting and dry on high for 30-60 minutes. And move the bed at least a foot away from walls, pulling furniture away so bugs can't use them to reach you. You also want interceptors under bed legs to catch bugs climbing up or down and to monitor activity. And separate clean and unclean clothing. Keep freshly washed clothes sealed in plastic bags or containers until the infestation is under control to avoid recontamination. Start here tonight. These moves can dramatically reduce bites tonight and give you space to sleep. These steps cut bites quickly and give you relief while you work on full elimination. You are not alone. Bed bugs can be eliminated with steady steps and the right tools. Here's the thing. Sprays and one-off fixes rarely solve the whole problem. Use a balanced approach. Contact kills now, residual kills later, and housekeeping removes hiding places. Okay, so first clear clutter around the bed and nearby furniture. Fewer hiding spots means treatments reach them. Then vacuum cracks, baseboards, mattress seams, bed frames, and nearby furniture. Empty the vacuum into a sealed bag and toss it outside. Use a contact spray for immediate kills on visible bugs and a labeled residual spray on frames and cracks. Follow a treatment schedule for sprays. Spray twice per week for the first month, then spray once per week for 2 to 3 months. Keep mattress encasements on continuously until you have 3 months with no live bugs, shed skins, fecal spots, or blood spots. Or continue laundering bedding and clothing on high heat regularly and maintain interceptors. This is the part most people skip. Repeated treatments catch newly hatched bugs and those emerging from hiding spots. Stick with the schedule and keep cleaning, heat, encasements, and interceptors in place. Persistence is the key to success. These additional measures strengthen your plan and keep you from feeling helpless. They include inspections, sealing cracks, travel precautions, and heat treatment for small items. You want to inspect weekly with a flashlight and a credit card to pull up seams and cracks. Look for live bugs, dark fecal spots, shed skins, or tiny blood spots. Catching signs early tells you if treatments are working. Seal cracks and crevices in baseboards and around outlets with caulk and put bed bug-proof covers on box springs. Reducing hiding places helps treatments reach every bug. If you travel, keep suitcases off hotel beds and inspect luggage after trips. When you return home, unpack directly into the washer or a sealed bag until you can launder. This prevents bringing bed bugs back into a treated home. Use heat treatment for small items that can be washed. Put them in the dryer on high for 30 to 60 minutes or place items in sealed bags in direct sunlight if temperatures permit. Heat is a reliable killer of bed bugs and eggs. How to know the infestation is gone? If you see none of the following for 3 consecutive months, live bed bugs, shed skins, fecal spots, or blood spots, the infestation is very likely eliminated. Keep the encasement and interceptors in place during this period to be sure. Keep going. Consistency wins. It's normal to feel frustrated, exhausted, or worried about spreading bed bugs. The real solution is steady, repeated action. This one's important. It's normal to feel frustrated, exhausted, or worried. Many people try a spray or quick fix and think it didn't work. The real solution is steady, repeated action, cleaning, heat, encasements, interceptors, and a combined contact plus residual spray routine over weeks. You can do this. Start with the immediate steps tonight to reduce bites, follow the treatment schedule, and check for signs weekly. Persistence will bring you back to normal sleep and peace of mind. For the exact products we recommend to help you finish the job, click the link below. You've got this. Take the first step now and see the items we recommend to get rid of bed bugs. Click the link below.